Welcome to Environmental Engineering 1, Module 1, Part 8. We are considering the population forecasting. Three methods we already learned, that is arithmetical increase method, geometrical increase method, incremental increase method. The fourth method is decreasing rate of growth method. What are the situations in which decreasing rate of growth method is used? When we are considering cities which are tending towards the saturation population, in this case, the rate of growth will be decreasing. That is, in the population growth curve, we are considering the uppermost part, not in the saturated part, the uppermost growth part. In that, the rate of growth, that is dP by dt, will be a decreasing quantity. In the arithmetical increase method and geometrical increase method, we assumed that dP by dt is equal to a constant. In incremental increase method, we considered dP by dt is equal to an increase in population we are considering. That is the graph is growing and maximum growth in the third region, that is the middle portion. In this region, in this method, decrease in rate of growth method, we are considering the decreasing rate of growth. And it is capable for cases only with the rate of growth shows a downward trend. Not in other cases. In dP by dt is equal to a constant or it is an increasing rate of growth, we cannot use decrease in rate of growth method. It is used only in the case where the rate of growth shows a downward trend. How we are going to calculate this population by using rate of growth method, decrease in rate of growth method. First three columns, that is year, population, and then the increase in population. Increase in population we are calculating as the same as last three methods. And in the fourth column, we are calculating the percentage increase in growth. Percentage increase in population that we are already calculated in geometrical increase method. In the decrease in rate of growth method, we are introducing a fifth column in which we are calculating the decreasing percentage. That is increase in percentage of population. We will see with an example. Then you all will understand how to solve the problem. The same problem we are taking, that is the population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given below. Find the population after 1, 2 and 3 decades beyond the last non-decade using rate of growth method, that is decrease in rate of growth method. We will see how to solve the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem by using decreasing rate of growth method. As in the previous three methods, that is arithmetical increase method, geometrical increase method and incremental increase method, the first three columns are the same. The first two columns are already given in the question and third column you have to calculate, that is increase in population. That is 28,000 minus 25,000 3,000, 384,000 minus 28,000 6,000, 42,000 minus 34,000 8,000, 47,000 minus 42,000 5,000. Then the fourth column, this is also already calculated in the second method, that is geometrical increase method. That is how we are going to calculate is, first 3,000 is our increase, then about the first population, that is 25,000 into 100, then 6,000 divided by 28,000 into 100, then 8,000 divided by 34,000 into 100. Here 5,000 divided by 42,000 into 100. Likewise, we have to calculate. Then we will write the percentage values. That is 12%. Here it is 21.4%. Here it is 23.5%, and the last one is 11.9%. Then in the decrease in rate of growth method, we have to calculate the fifth column, that is decrease in percentage increase in population. How much decrease is happening in the increasing percentage of population? Then we have to calculate 12 minus 21.4, that is 9.4%. Then 21.4 minus 23.5, that is 2.1%. This is negative value. This is also a negative percentage, that is decrease in rate, increase in population. Then 11.9 minus 23.5 minus 11.9, that is 11.6%. This one is positive. Then we have to calculate the average of decrease in percentage increase in population. That we get here, it is total, it is 0.1%, and the average value we get 0.1 divided by 3, that is 0.03%. 0.03% is the average decrease in rate of growth. By taking this value, we are going to calculate the population in the coming decades. How we are calculating? Let us see. We have to calculate the population in 1980, then 1990, then 2000. Now we are going to calculate the coming decades population by using decrease in rate of growth method. First of all, we have to calculate the percentage increase in population in 1980, 1990 and 2000. How we are going to calculate? The last percentage increase in population is 11.9. Here it is 11.9. Then what is the decrease in percentage? It is 0.03. That is minus 0.03. Then the percentage increase in population corresponding to the year 1980 is 11.9 minus 0.03. That is 11.87. Then the percentage increase in population corresponding to 1990, that is 11.87 minus 0.03, that is 11.84. Then percentage increase in population in the year 2000, that is 11.84 minus 0.03, that is 11.81. This is the increase in population of the years 1980, 1990 and 2000. Now we are going to calculate the populations corresponding to 1980, 1990 and 2000. P1980, that is equal to the last decade population is 47,000. 47,000 plus what is the percentage increase in population? 11.9. 87 divided by 100 into 47,000. This is the forecasted population in 1980. Then P1990, that is the population in 1980. P1980 plus what is the percentage increase? That is 11.84. 11.84 divided by 100 into P1980. Likewise, P2000 is equal to P1990 plus what is the increase in population? 11.81. 11.81 divided by 100 into P1990. Like this, we are going to calculate all the coming decade population by the method of decrease in rate of growth method. Okay, I hope you all understood the problem. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Now I am going to end this session. Bye bye.